Want to get the most out of AI? You've got to understand how it thinks. So let's break it down. It's not magic, It's a process built on a few core ideas. Let's get into it. All right, principle number one, the AI's giant library. Everything starts with what the AI has already learned.
Just imagine this. The AI is trained on a huge amount of data. Basically, the entire internet.
And here's the big shift. Unlike older AIs, this new generation kind of figures things out all on its own. So this training happens in two parts. First, it just learns. Then it gets feedback to get better.
So how does all this info actually move around? Well, that's principle two, the language of AI. Everything an AI sees or says gets broken down into these tiny little pieces called tokens. Don't overthink it, really. Just picture a token as basically a short word or part of one.
And what's wild is when you see it writing, it's actually building that sentence token by token.
This brings up a really key idea, which is principle three. It's all just a game of probability. So how does it pick the next word? Simple. Probability. It's not thinking, it's just calculating. It's literally just predicting what word a human would most likely use next in that exact sentence. Now get this, for every single token, it rereads the entire chat before picking the next one. And it does that whole process for every single word, way faster than we can even read it. So where does all this lead? To our final principle. And this is a big one, creating from scratch. This isn't like Google finding and copying info. A generative AI makes something brand new every single time. So remember, it's never a copy-paste job. What you get is always a completely fresh creation.
Okay, so why does any of this matter to you? Let's connect the dots.
Because now you get it, right? You can give it better context and guide it to be way more creative. Look, it's not a magic box, it's a tool. And knowing how it works, that's the first step to mastering it.